$400. 400. Huh? 400. That's a card. Card.
Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your love and support on my previous video. I'm back with another interesting travel vlog, a new day with new interesting travel vlog. It's been almost like 2 to 3 months that we have gone for a ride. 30th of January and time is around 5:45 now. I'm currently in Koramangala, so we all have planned to meet in Koramangala Forum Mall. The place that we're going to visit today is called Perandapalli Falls, which is exactly about 50 to 60 kilometers from Bangalore and about 50 kilometers from Koramangala. So the route which we are going to take is the Electronic City Hosur Road. So this place recently got popular after a couple of YouTubers visited this place and posted a video of it. Watch the video completely. I'm going to give a complete information of how to reach this place, the route details and complete review about this place. The way that you can do for this channel is basically like, sharing and subscribe. So I'm very excited. As usual, this is going to be a group bike trip. So about 20 to 25 bikers are going to join for this particular ride.
Dim 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 dim. What happened? What happened? What happened, Chief? Winston went this way, right?
No, I couldn't see him. We don't know whether he went that side or this side. So I came this side.
Oh, you were the only person, is it?
No.
In the first?
In front of me, there was the couple was there. Then there's.
So guys, finally we have reached the place and time is around 8:15 now. It just took us about 1 hour to reach this particular place and it is very nearby. It took hardly about 20 to 30 kilometers from the Attibele toll. You would have, as you've seen in the video, complete last 2 to 3 kilometers was a complete offbeat off-road track, and the vehicle with low ground clearance will have great difficulties in riding and reaching this place. So if you are planning for, if you are planning to reach this place, make sure that you don't get your cars. Prefer two-wheelers with high ground clearance. And I really enjoyed riding because I have an adventure tour Himalayan, so it was just a piece of cake for me. And as you've seen, I've been doing a lot of off-road track. There's no parking as such, so we have just parked our bikes in just an isolated place, and after a certain while, just I think hardly about 600 to 400 meters, there is no path in Google Maps, so you have to just walk through the narrow road and trails. So we could hear the stream sound, so let's go and check, guys. So guys, this place is completely isolated. Please make sure to carry your belongings along with you. There's no, as I said earlier, there's no parking facility as such, so make sure that you carry all your belongings. And at least 3 to 4 kilometers you will not find any shops, so there's no proper eateries, so make sure you carry your water and eatables along with you, and try coming in a group. And what I suggest is that try coming in a group rather than individual, so that you will feel much more safer.
Hi guys, so we have another YouTuber, Mr. Daniel, who is one of our oldest member in Gate Tribe. He's been riding with us for the last 6 months, and he also got his YouTube channel called Danny Vlogs. I'll give the link in the below description. Please do go and check his vlog also. He does an amazing great work. Support us by subscribing the channel, and also do go and check his channel as well. So, okay, stay tuned.
So guys, the flow of the water is very nice. It is pretty good. The view is very fantastic, and if you are a naturist like me, you will really love this place. But please guys, when you are coming to this kind of places, please avoid plastic. Please promote the tourism by not littering the place. The place is a little bit covered with a lot of litter here, too much of plastics. And if you are coming, as I suggested, please come in a group. And this place is in complete exterior. Flow of water is very nice, but playing in the water is not recommended, and there are high tides, and also this place is completely unexplored, and hardly very few people have come and visited this place. Avoid coming with families. If you are in a group of riders or if you are with group of friends, then this place is absolutely for you, but the view is really stunning. And so I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and with another interesting travel vlog. Until then, this is Vivin signing off. Thanks for watching.